So, I'm going to give you another trade just to show you how these things work. Okay, we're talking about a potential 3% to 9% to be made here. Now, I actually entered this particular trade, right here. Okay, my entry point was 1.6. No, actually, to be perfectly honest, it was 1.721. Okay, I mean, we're not exactly in the best position right now, as you can clearly see, but nevertheless, I did enter at 1.721. And the reason for that, is because in my signals group, I specifically mentioned that if you see the invector signal, you should definitely enter the trade. And as a matter of fact, that's exactly what I personally did. I also instructed everyone in the group that we should be entering on the 1 hour time frame, because that's the perfect amount of time, to really go after this token. This action, what I mean is, it's pretty much going to happen automatically, in due course. We've got a 4-hour window, and this is truly going to propel us forward, aiming for that 3.0 level of the invector. It hasn't quite exited yet, and I'm still meticulously testing it out. I'll explain it to you in just a moment, as soon as I can. Here, you see, these are our timeframes, and according to my analysis, based on these indicators, we should be hitting that particular target this Saturday. Yes, this coming Saturday is our projected target date for reaching that level. And, frankly, I will intervene personally, as needed. What I'm telling you is that this is purely experimental right now. I'm actively transitioning my 2.7 version to the much improved 3.0 version. And, it's actually ChatGPT that provided me with this brilliant idea, which I truly appreciate. I took the trade right here, at this very point. And based on the current projections, by Sunday...
And you'll be trading right alongside me, which is a fantastic opportunity. You're going to be trading with me right there. You'll be joining my team, I share my videos, I share my trades. So if you come and join my team, what I mean is I have a dedicated team of traders, and we're 6 strong, very focused individuals. And as a bonus, it also gives you a free 100 units of something, which is quite valuable, I think. It's truly important for you to understand this. You get 100 units, and there's an 80 to 85% win rate with Crypto-Quebec. So you simply click on the link, you register, and it's completely free. As you can see, I'm sharing valuable information and resources with you. Come and join me. The link is right there in the bio. If you want to trade on my side, well, that's, also completely free. All you need to do is send me a message, and I'll send you the link to join the team. It doesn't cost you anything at all. You literally have nothing to lose. You'll be trading with me, and, there's a good chance we'll be making some winning trades together. I'm taking my time with each trade, being exceptionally diligent. I spend 12 hours a day trading, meticulously analyzing every move. And I'm an indicator, you could say. And my name, for those who don't know, is Crypto-Quebec. So if you want to join me, the link is right there. What I mean is, you can join me, Arthur, and my team at Crypto-Quebec. So, in terms of spot screening, it will be a bit challenging because you'll be actively involved in trading. When we look at things, it works much better when we're together. You see, 25 yuan for 10 years, and that's what comes out. So, he mixes 50-50 euros. It's going to bounce up to 35, and John leads anew. If you were at 1860 years old, we'll see each other at 1860 years